Second class requirement number 5. Identify or show evidence
of at least 10 kinds of wild animals found in your community.
That can include birds,
mammals,
reptiles,
fish,
and mollusks.
You can find wild animals all around you, on campouts, in parks, even in your own backyard. Now, these animals aren't wild like wild and crazy, but they are wild in a sense that they're not domesticated. They don't belong to someone. They don't have cute names like Fifi or Bruce. The term animals actually covers lots of different organisms. They're generally divided into 2 big groups, the vertebrates and the invertebrates. Vertebrates have a backbone. Invertebrates don't. For example, people are vertebrates. They have backbones. Now, within the vertebrate group, you'll find the classes of birds, mammals, reptiles, fish, and amphibians. Believe it or not, there are lots more invertebrates than vertebrates on our planet. Probably because invertebrates include the arthropods, like insects, spiders, and crabs, as well as the mollusks, like snails, clams, and oysters. Sounds like seafood to me.
You'll find lots of wildlife guidebooks in your library and websites online to help you with accurate animal identification.
So much for the biology lesson. Now it's time to get to work. And identifying 10 wild animals will require some real time and effort. Mostly, it's taking the time to become aware, to look, listen, and even smell the things around you. You can find evidence of animals in the trees above you, the water around you, and sometimes right below your feet. That's called animal scat. It's actually one way trackers and biologists identify animals.
If you happen to find old human artifacts like arrowheads or shards of pottery, don't touch or move anything. Report what you've seen to local authorities.
You might also find animal tracks while you're looking down. Your Boy Scout handbook tells you how to go about preserving and collecting those tracks. You know, with a little work and study, it won't be long before you're filling up your list of animals in your Boy Scout handbook. More importantly, you'll begin to see the role that animals play in the ecology of our planet. Hey, we're all part of the same big ecosystem. What happens to those worms and eagles is happening to us. So, the more we know about our planet, the better we'll get at taking care of it.
That's second class requirement number 5.
Identify 10 kinds of wild animals in your community.
Happy hunting!